In addition to right-clicking on a file in Windows Explorer and using the context-sensitive options menu to erase or to securely move a file, you can also use the uh, console for eraser, and that can be brought up by either going to the Start menu, or if you had minimized eraser, the icon will display in the system tray. You double click and up it comes. There are two ways to run a job here, and one is you can actually schedule something to run nightly, weekly, monthly, or whenever you need to. And as you'll see in a minute, there's a couple jobs which you're probably going to want to run during off hours. So we're going to go to On Demand, and we're going to bring up New Task. And you can see, and this window is the same whether you're using On Demand or Scheduler. The difference is with Scheduler, you would have tabs here that would allow you to schedule the event. So the first option is to overwrite unused space on disk. This will take and go through your entire drive from front to back and overwrite everything that should not have data on it. This is a very, very time-consuming and resource-intensive task, and this is probably something that you would want to schedule. You can also hit Files in a folder. You can just get the subfolders in the tree, or you can remove the folders when you're done. And you can select a file or a series of files, a set of files using wildcards. You can also determine whether or not you want to restart the computer, shut it down, or put it to sleep once you are done with the process. I'm going to cancel out of this. Let's bring up the scheduler for a moment. Here we have the schedule window, and this tab for the scheduler lets you determine how you want to overwrite the data. Under the On Demand, this window comes up when you choose to go forward with the On Demand erase process. Here you select as part of the scheduling process. Same window that's used for erasing single files or moving files from Windows Explorer. And that's really the essence of Eraser. There's a lot more functionality that this program brings to an organization. And the other thing that you can do with this, besides just erasing standard writable areas on the disk, is it will also erase the contents of your pagefile.sys. And this product will come with a command line function so that you can integrate it into scripts. And that's the end of the second Eraser demo video.